I think the biggest need for a country like ours is the reach. There are so many people with so many different needs. So I think looking at various different segments is very critical, something which actually fits in. We're looking at issues like Made in India, which has become very popular in the last few years. So it's been very exciting to look at indigenous products which are scalable and which are affordable to people. Meeting people with bright ideas and possibly people who have disruptive ideas for innovation. I think that's the most exciting part of judging. The Arohan programs are a very high standard. It gives them an opportunity to enlarge the scope of what they're doing into a socially meaningful activity. So I think there is huge opportunity and more people should take advantage of this.